Hey friends, let's get straight into it. With this song we're tuned to E flat and we're going to start on a D chord, just play the open D string, G, B, D. Then we go into a C add 9, play the 3rd fret A, open D, 3rd fret on the B, open G. Then we go into a G, play 3rd fret on the E, open D, 3rd fret on the B. Then we're going back to a D sus2, play the open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, open E, and then play the open B. So we have. Then we're just playing open G, 3rd fret B and E, 2nd fret on the E, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, then jump to 2nd fret on the G, open E, 3rd fret on the B, and strum down on a C add 9 but leave the open E string. Then we just repeat it all again, it all stays exactly the same. We add D to our C add 9, to our G, back to our D sus2, to our G and our fill. This time finish on the C chord. And that's our verse there. So for our pre-chorus we have a heavy guitar and the acoustic guitar is doing exactly the same. We're going to start on the A minor, play open A, 2nd fret G, 2nd fret on the D, 1st fret on the B, 2nd fret on the G. Then play 2nd fret A and open B, then open D, 3rd fret on the B and open G. Then play 3rd fret on the A, 1st fret on the B, open E, 3rd fret on the B. Then we're playing open D, 3rd fret on the E, go to the G, play the open hammer onto 2, open E, 1st fret B. Then we have back to the A minor, open A, 2nd fret D, 1st fret on the B. Then we're jumping 2nd fret A, open G, 3rd fret B, open E, 3rd fret B. 3rd fret on the A, open G, B. Then back to the D sus2, open D, 2nd fret G, 3rd fret B, open E, 3rd fret B. So that's a little confusing, so just take your time with that part there. And that's our pre-chorus. So guitar 1 we're just playing a G power chord, up to a D power chord, to an E power chord, back to a C power chord. Then we go to an A power chord, back to the D power chord, then play A string, 2nd fret, pull off to the open, back to a G power chord, to the D power chord, back to the G power chord again, A power chord, then just play 2nd fret on the A, open D, then we're just playing 3rd fret on the A, slide up to the 5th fret, and then back to the 3rd fret there. And that's guitar 1, now let's have a look at guitar 2. So the second guitar we're starting 10th fret E, then play 7B, 8B, and then play the 10 2 times on the E. Do that again, B, 7, 8, 10 on the E 2 times, back to the B, 7, 8, then to finish off play 8 2 times on the E, 7 E to the B, 10, 8, jump to the 5th fret A, and then slide up 7 up to the 9 on the G, and that's the harmony there. Then we have a third guitar just ending the chorus. Play the 3rd fret on the E, and then we're playing 3rd fret on the A, open B, hammer onto the 1st fret. Then do 2, slide up to 3 on the E. Then we're playing 3rd fret on the A, 3rd fret on the B, and hammer onto the 5th fret. And that's that last little guitar there for the chorus. Then for the next verse, play the first line exactly the same. We finish on our C at 9, then jump back to a C, play open E, first fret B, open G, just to finish that first line off. Then we play the start the same again with the D, C at 9, the G, to our D. This time we're just going to play D, G, B, open E, jump to the A string, 3, slide up to 5, and then play second on the E, open B, open E, jump to our D sus2 again, D, G, B, E, and then just play a C chord there. So let me play that last line for you. And that's guitar 1 for the verse. Then guitar 2 for our verses, you're going to play the D power chord, hold that through, and then at the end we play the C add 9 power chord. And then for the second line we just play the same as the acoustic, the D, to our C add 9, to our G, to our D sus2, our 3 slide up to 5, to our 2 on the D, and then to our D sus2 again. Then when we play the C, we're going to go down, down, up, down, up. And that's our verse there. So we have the pre-chorus, which is exactly the same, our chorus, which is the same, then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. It's the same as our intro. We have the D, C add 9, the G, to our D sus2, open E, open B, and then we're playing an E minor, just play the open E, open B, open E, and then our D sus2, play the D, G, B, E, then just hold our C chord, and then do that all the way through again, and on the last C, just do a build up. There. Then our next pre-chorus will be similar. The first 3 chords are the same, and we pick them the same. Then when we get to the D sus2, we're going to play the open D. We're going to play open E, third B, second G, open D, and do that 3 times. Then we just go to an A power chord. We're going to go to this G over B, C, and then D, and play it, do a build up on it, and then we do the stops, all on the D there. And that's our bridge or pre-chorus. Then we have our chorus, and we just play that through 2 times, and we end on C. Play it 2 times, and again, and 2 times. And we have that second guitar as well. So just play 3 E, 2 on the E, 3 on the B, and do that 3 times. And the 4th time, do the start again. Play open G, open D, and just keep repeating that to the end. Then we have our solo. So with our solo, leave your tuning the same on E flat, just tune your top string down to C sharp, and we're going to start with the open E, 7 on the G, 10 on the E, back to 7 on G, and then 10 2 times on the E. Then play 10 E again, 7 G, 10 E, 7 G, 10 E, 8 E, go back to 7, hammer onto 8, pull off to 7, and 10 B. Stay on the B, play 8, 7, G, 9, 7, then G, 9, B, 7, slide to 8, back to G, 9, B, 7, 8, 9, and 5 on the D. Stay on D, 4, 5, A, 7, back to D, 4, do 5, slide up to 7 on A, play 7 again, and then 5, 3. That last little part there. Then do the 5th fret harmonics on the D and the G, 7th fret harmonics D and G, then play the open D, open E, then we have this little run B string, 7, 8, 10, 8, 7, then do 8, pull off to 7, 9 on the G, back to B, 7, 8, 10, go to 7 on the E, back to B, 10, 8, 7, hammer onto 8, pull off to 7, G, 9, B, 7, and then do a slide on the G, 7 up to 9, back to 7. So that little part slowly. Then jump to the D string, do 7, hammer onto 9, pull off to 7. Jump to 9 on the A, slide back to 7, pull off to 5, hammer onto 7. Then we're doing a little sweep, we've got G12, B12 and E12. And then E, 14, 15, 14, 12, 14, 15, 14, 12. Then to finish off, we've got a harmony on this part as well. We have 12G, 15 on the E, slide 12 back to 11G, 14E, 11 slide back to 9G, 12 on the E, 9 slide back to 7, 10 on the E, 7 slide back to 5. And the harmony there is going to be 16 on the G, 19 on the E, 16 slide back to 14, 17 on the E, 14 slide back to 12, 15 on the E, 12 slide back to 11, 14 on the E, 11 slide back to 9. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Forever Guitar Lesson by Kiss. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s glam metal and rock, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.